Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make super yummy ice cream. For that you are going to take 2 cups of fresh mango puree. You can make any puree, any mangoes puree you want, and then you are going to add in it the condensed milk. So you are going to add slowly and gradually and keep mixing it. You have to use 3/4 of the tin. Okay, so 2 cups of mango puree and 3/4 of the tin, and then when you have mixed it, the next step is you have to beat the cream. So I have taken 300 grams of fresh cream, and remember it is chill. So now you have to beat it. You have to beat it on medium to high, and then after some time you are going to high the speed and beat it continuously. Keep beating it until it doubles the size, or you find the consistency quite thick. At least you have to beat it for 10 minutes. Once you have beaten the cream, you are now going to add the mixture of mango and condensed milk. Mix it properly. Once everything is mixed together, I am doing it with the beater. You can do it with a whisker, or you can do it with your hands. Like, not with your hands, with the spoon, I mean to say. And after that, when you have completely mixed it all, you are simply going to convert into airtight box and scrape it properly, and after that cover the lid and keep into the freezer for 8 hours. Once your ice cream is ready, simply scoop it out in a bowl, and you can see how creamy it is and how soft it is without any lumps. You are simply going to take out. You can decorate with the mangoes or with mango puree and enjoy the yummy, easy 3 ingredients ice cream. I hope you found it useful. Please like the video and do subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching.